When people talk about portfolio diversification, they have absolutely no idea what they're talking about. And let me give you an example, okay? Let's say you start off with just, I don't know, the S&P and the NASDAQ. You say, well, they're highly correlated. You need to diversify away from that, Alpesh. Don't you know what you're doing? Let's throw in, we put a bit of UK in there. Oh, wait a minute. In 2020, 21, when you had COVID, didn't give you diversification. There's only two times you want diversification. You want it when the markets are rising. Fooled you. No, you don't. You want concentration then, because when the markets are rising, you don't want other things falling. Or you want it when the markets are falling, because that's not putting all your eggs in one basket. Guess what happens when the markets are falling? Things get correlated to the downside. So what did you get with the UK to diversify you? And we'll look at the other markets in a second. Don't worry. Hang on to your hats for that one. Well, you got the falls. You also got them in 2022. So in case you think COVID was just an aberration, everything was correlated. Well, hang on. What the hell happened in 2018? You don't even remember, do you? Or 2022, you don't even remember. Where was your diversification? So when your fund manager is telling you, oh, don't worry, I have it diversified into different regions, they're idiots. And you can tell them Alpesh Patel told them that. And I'll tell you why they're idiots, because they haven't looked at the obvious data, which is staring them right in the face. Why don't they look at the data? Well, I've got to tell you, they have looked at the data, but they want to sell you more product. So they're deceitful idiots at that. Okay, what they're doing is they're trying to sell you three different products, which are all doing the same thing to the downside, which is falling at the same time, but they're not giving you upside returns. In fact, if you look at what the UK has done for you, is it's not grown as much, but my God, did it fall in the same percentage terms, so it took longer to recover. But Alpesh, you're cheating. You're only looking at the UK. Emerging markets is what my fund, oh, wait a minute, no, that didn't help either. No, Alpesh, you're looking at emerging markets. You should look at Japan. Oh, okay, that still fell when everything else does, and slowly with other things, and didn't give me the upside. Okay, well, wait a minute. Asia, there's more to Asia. South Korea, no, it's not going to do it. Africa, well, let's go to South Africa. Nope. Wait a minute, China's not connected to all these other countries. China will give me diversification, won't it? No, it won't. Oh, don't even tell me about the Indians. So there you are, okay? If you want to learn about investing, free copy. I'm going to give it away for free because I'm so fed up with people not knowing what they're doing and trusting their fund managers. That's for free. If you want more free tools and resources, alpeshpatel.com/links, and like and follow for more videos like this, so they might get even more angry in the future. Thank you.